What's up, guys? Out here detailing today. Have this fire department truck I'm doing. Actually, it's for a client that does work for the fire department. I wanted it cleaned up, brand new truck, 2500, before they add the lights and the stickers and all that stuff. It's been sitting for a few weeks, so they want it cleaned up good. So we're gonna do that. Usually don't do too much detailing this time of year. It's kind of cold, so says it's 39, but says it feels like 28, so this should be fun. Follow along. We're gonna get this truck cleaned up. I got the fire truck clean there. That's all the customer wanted, was to kind of dial it in, get all the stuff off of it from where it's set outside the shop for a couple of weeks. So it's clean now. Now they can get the lights and the stickers and radios and stuff installed and get it over to the fire department.